my friends around the world. This is Frank Ilo, your luxury real estate consultant from Montwell Properties, and I'm right here in Urban Prime 3. And Urban Prime 3 is launching today, and I'm here to witness what is happening. And if you look around me, you can see that there's ongoing development happening here. The place is fast developing, and on this estate, Urban Prime 3, we have units of 2-bedroom semi-detached. We also have units of 4-bedroom semi-detached with BQ. Now, for those who are interested in investing in these locations, you can find out that this is a very good spot. As you can see, the developers are doing a very good job. The raft they are doing as the foundation is very solid, and it shows that that this development is going to last a test of time. So for those who are interested to key in or looking for an investment opportunity in Lagos, Urban Prime 3 is located just by the Ogombo Road that leads you to Adesanya, which is just 5 minutes drive from VGC. Now, this opens an opportunity for those who are interested to invest for 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex. It's selling for 55 million with an entry on initial deposit of 5 million naira. And for those who are interested in the 2-bedroom semi-detached terrace, it is also going for 35 million with an initial deposit of 5 million naira. So with 5 million naira, you can secure your spot in this location. And this location offers you a governor's consent at its title, and it will come with interesting facilities or amenities in this estate that you will not find anything missing out. And right in this neighborhood, you can find Atican Beach, Barracuda Beach, Santa Cruz Beach. All of these places are just 5 minutes drive from this location. And aside from that, you can also find good schools for parents who are looking for good schools for their kids. Don't worry about that. There are great schools in this vicinity. If you're looking for a business hub is not far from here. It's a Kota shopping complex, just 10 minutes from this place. All of these places are strategically located for you to enjoy. Now, don't miss out on this investment because it's a one-in-a-lifetime investment. And I will be right here to point you to the right direction when it comes to your luxury investment in Lagos. Now, this place offers you the opportunity to key in with an entry level of 5 million naira. You can secure your units, and you can always resell in the future if you're interested, or if you want to build for your own, you want to own for your own apartment, sure, it's best. And if you want to buy and resell for a higher value, it's also a means for you to make profit from your investment. So this is Frank Ilo, and if you want to reach out to me concerning this investment or other properties that I'll be taking you to, you can call the number below and I'll be pointing you to the right direction. I'll be sharing the documents, the pictures, the videos, whatever details that you need to know about this property or this investment, I'll be putting out to you. Thank you very much as I wait for your call. Thank you.